Some fried potatoes, some liver, with some, is this the caramel, is that the?
That's the onion relish.
Oh, with some onion relish, I guess I'm going to have with it. Right there, that the wife made that up. Some onions, and I'm going to cut these potatoes to start. As a matter of fact, I'll put this liver, this is the liver. Right here, we got it from a local guy. Roshkam's Meats in Kaukauna. I'm going to put that in because it's really juicy. I want to keep the juice in there. I don't want to lose the juice. I'll put that in. Put that on high. That is juicy. Okay, what I'm going to do is spread that out a little bit. Use those juices. Break that up. Put that in there. Start browning that a little bit. What I want to put on, this is jalapeno vinegar sauce from the jalapenos left over. I'll pour a little bit of that in there. Not much because I don't want it overtaken. Let's get that in there. A little bit of that. Stuff is sticky. There's that. I'll cut these potatoes up. That in there. Make a little smaller pieces. Potatoes in there. Potato. And Larry wants some. He's in the cupboard. Wait his turn. Scatter those. Put this up pretty high. Then we're going to chop up the onion. I want these bigger sections. So it's going to go like this. Scatter that. Oh. Got one more onion to put in there. Most people don't like liver and onions, but I love it. I always had it even when I was a kid. I wasn't so crazy about it, but that's that. And we got some of this other onions if I can open it. run under hot water. Right back. There we go. What are these onions, hon? What are these onions called?
Onion relish?
Yeah, onion relish just says. And we're gonna put a little bit scattered throughout. Scatter that. There we go. That's plenty. Scatter that throughout. Put that away. That away. little salt and pepper. I like my pepper, so if it's not black, I don't have enough on. That's the way I look at it. Okay, there's that. That's what it looks like. And we're gonna let it cook probably for a good hour on low. And then I might put some jalapeno cheese on it that I have. When it's done, sprinkle some of that on when it's done. And then I will get back to you. Thank you. Black there. Show that. You got it on yet?
Well, yeah, but I can cut it.
Done?
Yeah, but you can do whatever you want.
This is what I'm going to put on there. Let's see, there you go. That's a local cheese that we go through DuPont. Get all our cheese from there. Nice price, nice cheese. It's jalapeno aged cheese. And
Monterey.
Monterey. And we're going to unravel some of it. And I'm going to take this shredder right over the top of it. It's very soft cheese, so I'm going to spray that right over the top. Okay, spread that around a little bit. Cover on. Melt for a little bit. A little music in the background. Grandma don't like the smell. we go.
This you can move around, because this doesn't move this around.
Right. I figured that out.
Definitely smells like liver. Not dead melting.
A little bit more. And I had a little venison bologna. And I cut that up and put it in there because I had a little extra from yesterday. I had some boiled venison bologna. Had a little left over, so I chopped that up, put a little bit of that in there too. Just so you know.
You gonna use sauce with that, like ketchup or?
You could use ketchup, but I probably
What
won't.
about your campfire sauce?
Well, you could use campfire or ketchup, I guess. I'll get the
You
campfire. I'll
could.
show you what I can
But
use.
you don't have to. Oh,
Usually I do with ketchup.
yeah, it drowns the flavor.
That's not true.
Yes, it is.
No. It brings out the flavor. It doesn't drown it. This right here,
That's good.
that's good stuff.
Yeah.
That's good for steaks, everything.
We get that at Menards.
And just a little
Only
ketchup.
place we can find it is Menards.
Use whatever you
And
want.
I don't like Hunk's ketchup, but that's all they had. I prefer Heinz.
Next year we'll make our own ketchup.
I'm thinking about it, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna make our own.
Be easy enough.
We made a lot of tomato sauce
Oh,
and stuff.
yeah.
So
And it turned out good.
yes, excellent actually. Turn
So
that
all
up
I
again.
have to do is add a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. And it thickens right up nicely. Right, Juju?
Take a look. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about right there. I'll take a little liver right here. Oh, I love that stuff. A little liver right
I
there.
have to show Cindy that. What is that big chunk of something
Another
down
chunk
there?
of liver.
No, what's this? What's that?
That's onion.
Oh,
Oh, and then get the potatoes. Look at that with the cheese on it. Turn it way down now. I don't want it to burn. Now we'll turn it off. You just hear it sizzle. My wife doesn't like it at all, but I'll tell you what, I'm going to go in the other room. I'm going to enjoy this. Here's that little venison ring bologna I was talking
oh,
about.
I like sausage.
Right there. I'll probably use that sauce on those. And there we go. That's it, my friends. You have a good night. I'm going to go enjoy this.
What's this?
That's liver.
Oh.
I'm going to make the wife eat some liver later.
No.
Are we done here?
Are you?
Yes.
Right there's a garbage can if you want to dump it in there.
Dump it right in my belly is where I'm going to dump it. There we go. Lynn's going to eat her all.
No. Turn it off now, huh?
I did turn it off.
No, you
Light
didn't.
stays on.
The green light was on.
Light stays. Oh, okay. There we go.
Here, goodbye.
See ya.